So you should be on the website right now. I know many of you do not have an account yet, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. At the top right, it says create account. Click that. Once you selected it, then this will pop up. You can either create an account from scratch or use Facebook and or Google account to sign in. I already have an account, therefore I need to go back out of this section and go back into sign in. Okay, once you're signed in, we are ready to explore Symbaloo. This is a page that I created strictly for this workshop. A page on Symbaloo is also called a web mix. You can look up different web mixes by the search bar on the top right here. These squares located all around are called tiles. You can add pictures, videos, and links in these tiles. If you click on one, it will open up either to another page or another web mix. So I will show you that. So this one opens up to a different web mix that I actually pinned. This is also powered through Google Search and is convenient for searching anything on the open web. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to explore the tool. Yours is going to look a little bit different, like I said, because I created my own. So just take a few minutes to explore. So in today's workshop, I will teach you how to create a web mix, add tiles, inputting pictures and icons into tiles, editing tiles, and finally changing the background. I know all of this sounds intimidating, but I will be giving you a step-by-step instruction on what to do. Are you ready to begin? Please ask any questions throughout the workshop. First thing I'm going to start with is how to create a web mix. Once everyone's signed in, we can begin creating our very first one. You see I created quite a few already up here. But please try to ignore them. Please do everything with me. It's going to help you complete the project later. At the top, there is a plus sign. This is how we're going to add a new web mix. Once you click on that, then this page will show up. We are going to add an empty web mix and give it a desired name. Then we're going to click add. So I'm going to give it a desired name of workshop. I'm going to click add. And congratulations, you've created your very own web mix. That wasn't so bad.